Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update Facebook application to the latest version in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I am on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you are on an Android or a computer as well. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So basically, there are two ways to update Facebook application to the latest version. The first one is to go to the App Store or Google Play Store, and then simply search for Facebook, and then search for it. Tap on Facebook, and if it says update, you can update Facebook app, or if it says open, you can simply tap your Facebook is updated to the latest version. But if you don't have still have access to the latest features of Facebook in 2024, and it doesn't say update, you can force update your Facebook application by simply heading over to the settings and then tap on general. If you're on an Android, you'll have to go to the settings and then go to apps section and look for Facebook. Then hit iPhone storage and then look for Facebook app, then tap on it, and all you'll have to do is to offload the Facebook app and then reinstall it. Basically it will clear all the glitched and corrupt files, and it will remove all the cache of Facebook from your iPhone or Android, whatever you have, and will force update the Facebook app to the latest version. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.